I would never forget the stripper from Miami who told me her name was Lauren, cause she couldn't stand reality of the shit she was doing. Scribbling her way through school, and Victoria was the name of the girl who was drooling, and secrets that she revealed to a nigga done with schooling. She know me for about an hour, felt comfortable with a nigga. Me and my brothers coolin', acting like we was used to the things these girls were doing. Red lights and private dances, 5-minute romances, feel like little forevers. When ass and tits that you're grabbing, you see them, you gotta have them. Encounters, alter perceptions, I wonder how much you feel me, or am I just another random? Lauren walks on the stage, prepping herself for page. She 20, so she is young, but her body seems so aged. I know that she been had psychology undergrad, damn, but stay pure, Victoria, cause it's the allure that's fueling ya, yeah, it's the allure. I feel you, ma. Stay pure, stay pure. Pure diamonds, pure diamonds, pure diamonds, pure diamonds, pure diamonds. Brown skin goddess right from your dreams. Stripper name was Christine, 21 from the D. I know she didn't follow me into at the hours before. No words spoken at all. Eye contact was made as she grind another girl. Ocho Cinco on stage, really making it rain. So much money was thrown, they sweeping it off the stage. I'm posted off on the wall, eyes is open at all. This moment was just a dream, but I'm here, so not no more. Here she goes, Christine. No personal space in between me and her. She witnessed to me that her and her girl was dancing for me. I replied, thought y'all was doing y'all thing. All these ballers in here while you focused on me. She like, fuck it, you wanna dance, I gotta hit the machine. I know you fuck with the kid, but this shit ain't for free. I return with the bread, then she whispers to me, I thought you wouldn't return. I'm like, I thought you would leave. Shorty started to pop and brought it back up for me. Fingers all on her skin, yeah, she doing her thing. Hope she know the thing she chasing be the thing that she be. Pure diamonds, pure diamonds, pure diamonds, pure diamonds, pure diamonds.